Hey guys, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art. Here to do another video. I'm going to show you my last painting. Kind of tricky because it didn't turn out. I did not like the conduit thing that I did. So I just did a flip cup after, and I love it. Turned out really nice. Kind of got a glare on it there, but it turned out great. I love the colors. I love the ribbons going through it. Turned out really good. So I'm glad I did that. Okay, let me get my gloves on. And gonna be working on this little canvas today. It is a 4 by 12. Oh, gloves are new, so I can't hardly get them on. Oops. And I'm going to be doing the plastic wrap smash that Ann Osborne has perfected. And I have 2 more of these canvases, so I thought if this one turned out, that I would do the other 2 with different background colors and make it a set. So this one, the background's going to be white. I'll go ahead and get that put down. It's a little bit chilly here in Illinois. It's going to be a rainy day. See how this does. Remembered my spatula this time, so have something to spread the paint around with. It goes down off the sides, which I can touch up afterwards. Try and get the majority of it though. Okay, I think that looks pretty good for now. All right, let's give it a torch, because I did just shake it up. So there's going to be a lot of air bubbles. There we go. There. Get some paint on it. Oh, these wide canvases are hard to get paint on all the things, all the sides. Without wasting a ton of paint. All right. All right, let's get started. First off, I have Basics Brilliant Yellow Green. And then I have Master's Touch, light purple. And I have Deco Art, primary magenta. And I don't have much of this left, so I'm gonna have to refill my bottle. It is Master's Touch Ocean Green. I think I'm going to put some more of this brilliant yellow green, because it's kind of gotten lost, and I really like this color. All right, then if I can get to it here. I have just a little bit of metallic white, and it does have some silicone in it. So I'm going to drip some of it in. Okay. Now, here is my paper, or my, just put it on and pat it down and kind of hope for the best. Get that wrinkle out of there. Sure all the colors are taking contact with your, you can use cellophane, plastic wrap that you get in the roll and tear off. This is just some plastic from the bulk packs of canvas that I buy at Michael's. All right, let's peel it off and see what we've got. Oh, wow, that's really pretty. I really like that. I like how it goes through. Looks like a feather on the way up, doesn't it? I don't think I'm gonna mess with it, blowing it out or anything, because it looks so good. Let's give it a torch. See some air bubbles coming up. Dog hair, of course. And I'm gonna have to touch up my sides, but I'll do that after the camera shuts off, so you won't have to be watching me do all that little bitty stuff. All right, love the colors. So close up for you. I think it's beautiful. I'll definitely be doing the other two with different colored backgrounds. I'd really appreciate it if you would all leave me some comments and let me know what color backgrounds you'd like the other two to be, so that they would complement each other to make it a set. So please leave me a comment for that. And subscribe if you haven't already. And share with your family and friends, please. Could always use more subscribers. I love all the ones that I have. Thank you so much for watching. And always have a great day.